Guru, made for you.
This is lesson 9-4, the addition and subtraction method. So, in the past two videos, we learned about the graphing method and the substitution method. Now let's learn another method to make solving systems of equations even easier. We have x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 5. We have that. Now, we could substitute and we could graph these, and that will take a long time. So we have an even easier method to solve these two equations. All we have to do is we add or subtract these two equations to get another equation with only one variable. So one of the variables cancels out, because if we have x here, the second equation has negative x. So when you do x plus negative x, you get 0. So they cancel out. In this equation, we can cancel out y because we have positive y and negative y. So if we added these, we would get, the y's would cancel out, so we get 2x is equal to 15, and x is equal to 15 over 2, or 7 1/2. Now all we have to do is plug this back into the original equation. So I'll plug it into the first one. X plus y equals 10. So x, which is 15 over 2, plus y is equal to 10. And 15 over 2 is 7 1/2. So we get y is equal to 2 1/2. Because 2 1/2 plus 7 1/2 is 10. So since we have our 2, so 2 1/2 is also 5 over 2. So our final answer is 15 over 2, comma, 5 over 2. And that is our final equation, final answer. So if we have two opposites of the same variable, then we can cancel them out and use the addition and subtraction method instead of substituting or graphing. So let's try another equation right here. Let's try 2c plus 3d is equal to 0, and 5c minus 3d is equal to 21. So we have these two equations here. Now the 3d and the negative 3d will cancel out because they're opposites. So you get 7c is equal to 0 plus 21 is 21. So c is equal to 3. And since c is equal to 3, then we plug it back in. I'll plug it back into the second one this time. So 5 times 3 minus 3d equals 21. 15 minus 3d equals 21. Negative 3d is equal to 6. D is equal to negative 2. So our final answer is 3, negative 2. Now let's try something a bit more hard, a bit more challenging, because this is too easy for us. So let's try 12p minus 18q is equal to 14, and negative 15p minus 18q is equal to negative 4. Oh no! We don't have anything that is opposites. We have negative 18q and negative 18q. We don't have positive 18q and negative 18q. We both have negatives. So what do we do now? Well, we can subtract, or even easier, just multiply by negative 1. So you get a new equation. We get 15p plus 18q is equal to 4. Because these two equations are equivalent or the same. So instead of subtracting and making errors, what we can do is we can just add by multiplying by negative 1 and getting another equation which has an opposite. So now we don't need this equation anymore because this is the same thing as this one. So now we can do what we did earlier, which is cancel these out. So we get 27p is equal to 18. So p is equal to 18 over 27, which is also 2/3. Because if you divide by 9, you get 2 over 3. So p is 2 over 3. Now let's solve for q. So we'll plug it back in. I'll plug it into the first one this time. So 12 times 2/3 minus 18q equals 14. 1, 4, because 12 goes in, 3 goes into 12 4 times. So 8 minus 18q equals 14. Negative 18q is equal to 6. Q is equal to negative 6 over 18, which is also negative 1/3. So Q is equal to negative 1/3. So our final answer for this one would be 2/3, comma, negative 1/3. And that is how you do this. Now let's try another one, our final one. So ax plus by equals 18, and ax minus by is equal to 6. So we have these two equations, and they both intersect at 3, negative 2. And we have to find a and b. So how do we do this? We just plug them into the equation for x and y first. So we get a times 3 minus b times negative 2 equals 18. A times 3 minus b times negative 2, oh this is plus, sorry, equals 6. So we get, for this one, we get 3a minus 2b equals 18, and 3a plus 2b equals 6, because of sign rules. So since we have this, we can just use the addition and subtraction method. So we can cancel these out. That's too light. Cancel these out, and we get 6a is equal to 24. So a is equal to 24 divided by 6 is 4. So we get a is equal to 4. So we just plug it back into the original equation right here. Not this one, this one. So 3 times 4 minus 2b equals 18. So 12 minus 2b equals 18. Negative 2b is equal to 6. B is equal to negative 3. And now we check in the second equation just to make sure again. So we get 3 times 4 plus 2 times negative 3 equals 6. So 12 minus 6 equals 6, and 6 is indeed equal to 6. So that's how you use the addition and subtraction method to solve a system of equations. So if you like my videos, be sure to like us on Facebook or +1 us on Google+, and you can find all our videos and our like button and our +1 button on our website at sites.google.com/the Guru Review 247. And this is all one word, the Guru Review 247. You can find videos on Spanish, history, more math, and our homepage, at the bottom of our homepage is our +1 and our like button. Be sure to share this to all your friends if you like it, and Thanks for watching this video.
Guru.